study. The best simple answer. Study actively, with a plan, and with regular revision. Not by just reading or highlighting. Study. Actively. Most important. Don't just read. Your brain learns by doing. After reading, close the book and explain the topic in your own words. Solve questions without looking at the answer. Teach the topic to yourself or someone else. If you can explain it, you know it. Use short, focused study sessions. Long hours don't mean better results. Study for 25-45 minutes. Take 5-10-minute breaks. Repeat 3-5 sessions per day. Focus beats hours. Study the right order. Many students waste time studying randomly. Start with high-weight or difficult topics. Then move to medium topics. Easy topics last. Quick revision. Smart order usawi better marks. Revise properly. This is why students forget. If you don't revise, you forget. Revise after 2 hours. Again after 2 days. Again before the exam. Revision locks information in memory. Practice more than you read. Marks come from practice, not reading. Solve pas question. Practice exam-style problems. Check mistakes and redo them. Practice equals confidence in exams. Sleep. Stay consistent. Your brain needs rest to remember. Sleep 7-8 hours. Study a little every day, not all at once. Consistency beats last-minute stress. Remember, active learning, focused sessions, and consistent revision are key. Practice regularly and prioritize sleep. Good luck with your studies.